Ito na. Kakagulat naman yung sound. Teka lang. Yan. Saan ba dito? Yan. Ideal mo.
Where's the money, bitch? Hand it over!
Sige, sampalin kita kaya.
I can't let my child grow up like this anymore.
Take your hands off me!
I'll use this money for myself so my child and I can have a better life.
Nunood mo naman.
No more bad husband. I'm single and independent. This is my dream life.
Pinadami-dami mong pera, tas di mo
Join Brainy Prankster now and making everyone's life better together.
Okay, be, tapos na. Tapos na, be.
Help mommy take care of all the babies.
Ayoko kaya. Pero nasa na yung exit? Ayun. My hero. The skip button. Isa pa na naman. Nanonood na naman ng madaming ads. Teka lang, guys. TikTok. Guys, di na ako pinanood ng more ads. Pero mag-skip na tayo. Skip. Loser. Outstretched. Hilain kaya kita. Meow, meow, meow. Suntukan kaya kita.
I'm freezing. Please cover me with a blanket. Take the quilt off the wall.
Be, bali...
There's a bed quilt
Be,
outside.
ano
Give that
yan?
to her too. Check
Be,
if there's
ano
one in the
yan?
wardrobe. Give it to her.
Ano
The
to?
suitcase should have one too.
Ano
Take it
to?
out for her.
Tatalino. No, I don't want.
Here are some scissors. Cut the dog's fur to use as a cover. You could probably cut the bear's fur too. Give that to her as well. But there's nothing
Be,
left. Can you
alam
find
mo
anything
kaya
else
kung
to
anong
keep
gawin
warm?
mo?
This
Takpan
level
mo
is
kaya.
cold cover.
Takpan mo yung bintana, kaya ka nilalamig eh. Nakasarap yung bintana nyo, hindi, diba? Tapos tingnan mo, anong tawag dyan? Cover. Arte. Saan na? Yun. Padalian mo. Of course, the cat's left and right are most seen. Suntok kaya. Gusto mo? Alam ko to eh. Ayan, largest fire. Gusto mo, lagi ko kaya sa buhok mo. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Teka, parang alam ko to eh. Alam ko. Try ko kaya every number. Ayan ang genius! Ooh. Work harder, not smarter. What mark would you give for this game? Full marks.
Where's the money,
Yung ka na
bitch?
naman!
Hand it over!
Gusto mo, sabahan kita.
I can't let my child grow up like this anymore.
Tignan mo tong babae na to. Itong lalaki na to.
Help mommy take care of all the babies.
Ayoko kaya. Ano naman? Ano ba? Sa mukha na to. I don't want to spend money on me. Poink, poink. Ayan ang di pwede mo kay. Pagkahaluin ko sana eh para mag-slushy, para sumakat yung chan natin. Which one is not ice cream? Teka! Teka lang guys. Ano to? Ano to? Ano yan? Ano yan nandiyan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Wawa naman talaga. Wawa naman yung mga ice cream. Sinayang natin para sa challenge.
I'm freezing. Please cover me with a blanket. Take the quilt off the wall.
Be, ano ang tawag
There's a bed
dyan?
quilt outside. Give that to her too.
Anong tawag doon? Yoko.
If there's one in the wardrobe, give it to her. The suitcase should have one too. Take it out for her. Here are
Ayan,
some
oh.
scissors. Cut the
Ayan,
best
yung
fur
color
to use as a
pink.
cover.
Ayan, oh.
You could probably cut the best fur too. Give that to her as well.
Wawa naman.
But there's nothing left. Can you find anything else to keep warm? This level is cold cover.
Ayan, yung mga medyas. Bye-bye. Period. Cocomelon. Darkest color, ito. Ito. Tre. Kakakita lang natin kanina, be. Help the what? Yan ano to? Ano to? Help the baby duckling drink water. Ay, mali. Ay, ayan. Tama ako. No.
Most of the people in Paper.io2
Abs
don't know
na
about
naman.
the secret level. If you go into your user settings and change your username to Thanos, you'll unlock a secret Thanos skin. Now the interesting part comes when you
Weh.
play a game with it. You are playing as the Thanos gloves, and the challenge is to beat all of the 6 Avengers in a row, to collect all of the 6 gems.
Sige,
Once
sir.
you have collected all
Siya
of the 6
pakin
gems,
ko, ya.
you'll unlock a permanent super bonus for your next games that allows you to erase 50%
This is
of the snap.
Buderman.
Snap.
Oh, no. Ayoko kaya. Exit button, nasan ka na? Ayan. My best friend came. Sige. Do not press it. I don't care. Teka. Diba binindot ko to? Kasi ito yung earth. Ay, patay. Patay! Ay, tama. Hindi sumabog na rin tayo sana. I can do it. Help mom. Wala. Please! Yoko na, be. Yoko na. Baby, don't care. Isa lang. Everyday. Bro, my best friend very sick. Huh? Dadalian mo. Nasa? Uy! Ano nangyari? Help mom clean the window. Oink, 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 oink. So, ayan o! Help mom find her phone. Lagay mo yan kaya sa'yo. Eto, phone. Seryoso to. Ayan ang nagloloko.
Help mommy take care of all the babies. I'm very tired.
Yoko. Yung isa lagay mo sa butas, dali.
Today I will do nothing. Help mommy
Mali
take
ka
care of
pala.
all the babies.
Isa sa pusa. Oh. Wala. Wala! Wala. Huh? Okay na, tapos na. Let's go. Babay na wala. Oh. Iinis na ako. Hindi na pa ito naglolo ko, be. Hindi na ako pa-rotate ng rotate. Ayan. 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 Aba, hindi wala. Arte mo ungrateful. Ay. Be. Mama. Ito yung pinakamahal na perfume. Ayaw mo pa. Ungrateful. Yan o. Yan o. O yan, wala. Wala. Ayan, wala. Wala. Bahala ka dyan mag-isip. Yan. Hindi wala. Inis ako sa'yo eh. Hindi para saan to? Ay. Ungrateful mother. Lo. Bye. Lo. Ha? Be, maingay. Isabi ma... Yun, sa wakas. Yeah, para saan yan? San. Ginggang guli-guli. Ginggang. Stay still. Yun, very good. Ba't mo ba kasi ginagalaw pag ikaw talaga natusok? Chang. Tung sa hole. Ba? Idikita na yung panty mo dito. Very good. Patayin yung...
Our story begins on a sunny morning. Angela was busy doing the laundry, while Tom was busy doing his own thing. Soon, the household gathered for breakfast. Sarah made grilled cheese sandwiches for everyone to enjoy. The fun
Everyone
then moved to
isa
the
lang.
backyard. It's so pretty, where the friends were having a fun picnic. Until
Yay!
imagine the perfect ending by playing Talking Tom Friends World.
Yay! Ma'am. Ano ba kasi hinanap ko? Abay. Ow. Ay, sorry be. Huwag ka, ma'am, huwag ka pa magsayang. Huwag ka po naman magsayang. Ito gamitin mo. Ungrateful mother. Ayan na, ayan. Yan. Siyempre may ads. My best friend. The exit button. Vroom. Ay. Saan kaya? Ito. Diba? Count. Gawin ko na lang yung kanina. Ayan! Oh no. Di ko yan kasala. Kakanood ko lang ng ads.
Download zipper lock screen and wallpaper to your device now to experience
Ayaw mo? Dito yung part ko sa Wag na. Naiinis na ako sa mga ads na to.